In this section, we will learn to use Combinator Selector. When a CSS selector contains more than one simple selector, it becomes a Combinator Selector. There are 4 types of Combinator Selectors. They are Descendant Selector, Child Selector, Adjacent Sibling Selector, and General Sibling Selector. First, remove the codes of the previous section and save it as CSS Combinator Selector.html. Now in the body, create a div element. Inside the div element, create a paragraph element and type whatever you want to type here. I'm writing this is paragraph 1. Now copy this paragraph element and paste it here. Change it to this is paragraph 2. Now create a section element here. And inside the section element, create another paragraph element. Write this paragraph is inside the section. Now copy this paragraph element and paste it outside of the div element. And write this is adjacent sibling. Copy this paragraph and paste it here for one more time and write this is general sibling. Now in the style element, first select the div element using name selector. Now I want to select the paragraphs inside the div elements. These paragraphs are the descendant of this div element. To select them, after selecting the div, we have to write P for paragraph element. Now we can set some style to these descendants. Let's set background color to light blue. Save the code and load this web page. You can see here these 3 paragraphs have background color light blue. These 3 paragraphs are the descendant of this div element. That is why this style were assigned to all of the descendants, and this selector is called Descendant Selector. Now I want to select the children only. These 2 paragraphs are the children of the div element. This paragraph is not the children of the div element because this is inside the section. In order to select the children only, we use greater than symbol. Save the code and reload the web page. Now only these 2 paragraphs have the background color. It is because these 2 paragraphs are the children of the div element. Now I want to select the adjacent sibling. This paragraph element is the adjacent sibling to this div element. To select the adjacent sibling and assign style to it, we use a plus symbol. Save the code and reload the web page. Now this paragraph is receiving the background color light blue. If we want to select all of the sibling, then we have to use tilde symbol. Save the code Reload the web page. Now all of the siblings are receiving the style. This is how Combinator Selector works. Using Combinator Selector, you can select elements that is inside some other element.